was represent for Jamaica's worst gamers, the baddest review, the baddest reaction. Them bad like we are the baddest. We badder than any boy, any man, any group, any gang, any artist, any fan. Badder than the army of American, my girl bad with elegance. No for them fool, the irrelevant. Worst gamers.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we're with Skippa. Yeah, man. Skippa with healing. Yes, make up yourself, Skippa. Make up yourself, J. We got the production team for the 1 and 2. Yes, we got the production team. I'm going to jump in the 1 and 2. Let's go, man. Skippa, healing. Directed by Banka, pick up yourself. Young vibes. Pain into art.
Nobody made them see your sorrow. Ambition, that's something where you just can't borrow. It not gonna happen overnight, and not gonna wake up rich tomorrow. I feel ready for the fight, so that your mates can't shadow. Father God, more some healing, I'm a soul, cause them a premium from my one. And kiss some teeth with time to see me not the road. But still me keep it on the low, cause God me evil and you know. I need no take nothing, not half to send them moves like.
Lift up. Foxy G attack. No joke. Listen again.
Sometimes me have to only fear nobody made them see your sorrow. Ambition, that's something where you just can't borrow.
You hear that? Ambition is something where you just can't borrow. Either you're born with it or you do not have it. Or if you have ambition, no. Or if you have ambition. Yes, ambition is key.
If you only fear nobody made them see your sorrow. Ambition, that's something where you just can't borrow. It not gonna happen overnight, and not gonna wake up rich tomorrow. I feel ready for the fight, so that your mates can't shadow.
You hear that? You have to be ready for the fight, so your mates can't follow. Before that, he might tell you, say, yo, listen, you have to work for what you want, dog. You have to work. It not gonna happen overnight. The first time they're gonna kill you too.
Happen overnight, and not gonna wake up rich tomorrow. I feel ready for the fight, so that your mates can't shadow. Father God, more some healing, I'm a soul, cause them a premium from my one. And kiss some teeth with time to see me not the road. But still me keep it on the low, cause God me evil and you know.
God? Even like you know, so me I try all it. Me I try all my feet, but some of them pussy I test me, dog. Them a test me. What that test me for? But guess what? Me I go try all out same way. You see me? Cause God I got.
And kiss some teeth with time to see me not the road. But still me keep it on the low, cause God me evil and you know. I need no take nothing, not half to send them moves like a junkie. Me lucky like me fucking monkey. Them a feel like me dog and country. Me lay me bro it jumping, dog. Serve a crack.
Yo! Man, so me look like me fucking monkey.
Sometimes me have to only fear nobody made them see your sorrow. Ambition, that's something where you just
can't borrow.
It not gonna happen overnight, and not gonna wake up rich tomorrow. I feel ready for the fight, so that your mates can't shadow. Father God, more some healing, I'm a soul, cause them a premium from my one.
Yeah.
And kiss some teeth with time to see me not the road. But still me keep it on the low, cause God me evil and you know.
Yeah.
I need no take nothing, not half to send them moves like a junkie. Me lucky like me fucking monkey. Them a feel like me dog and country. Me lay me bro it jumping, dog. Serve a crack it through the front window. Song I play in every county. If I got you me the chicks upside them sleeves more. You reveal everything that I can't see more. You know me believe in every lesson you teach. You tell me humans deceive, nobody watch you I preach. The Father God just when me catch me enemy on him knees. Come me and give him every one of the 9 next teeth.
Every one of the 9 next team I get him catch him on him knees. Every single one. I want them when them fall upon the crime scene and see him, then I go say,
why you do it, John Crow?
Me believe in every lesson you teach. You tell me humans deceive, nobody watch you I preach. The Father God just when me catch me enemy on him knees. Come me and give him every one of the 9 next teeth. I will not take no defeat, long as me dead by my feet. Boy, I have to watch when them speak. Not true, my humble, my G.
Not true, me humble G. Not true, me humble, my fam. You have to watch how you speak to man, bro. Approach with caution, brother. Approach with caution.
I take no defeat, long as me dead by my feet. Boy, I have to watch when them speak. Not true, my humble, my G. Watch over me one time, me grinding for the loot. Me walk through more just like the truth without a silent pa my boot. The killer never lie, and that a truth. Them why you eat the pies of fruit was when they rising as a youth.
Yeah, man, them want you. Them want put all type of things for your name. Them all want you eat the pies and fruit when them see you rise as a youth. But don't take it bait. Don't take it bait.
The killer never lie, and that a truth. Them why you eat the pies of fruit was when they rising as a youth.
Yeah.
But now the thing I get large, I still not chat to my father. Press a button in the beast, I know the beam I get faster.
What I'm saying, the thing I get larger, so wait. The thing I get larger, you still not chat to your father.
Killer never lie, and
he wasn't there from the start.
Eat the pies of fruit was when they rising as a youth. but now the thing I get large. I still not chat to my father. Press a button in the beast, I know the beam I get faster. When more off chat, when feelings get a new beat from Carter. I'm a link up disaster. Yeah, if I got you with the chicks upside them sleeves more, you reveal everything that I can't see more. You know me believe in every lesson you teach. You tell me humans deceive, no matter what you I preach. If I got just when me catch me enemy on him knees, come me and give him every one of the 9 next teeth. I win the take not defeat, long as me dip on my feet. Boy, I for watch when them speak, not true my own, but my G. Healing on my soul, cause them I pray me for my one.
Yeah.
And kiss them teeth when time they see me not the real. But still me keep it on the low, cause God me evil and you know. I need not take nothing not off for send me. It's like a junkie. Me lucky like me fucking monkey. Them I feel like me dog and country. Me lay my bro jumping dog. Serve a cocky through the front window. Song I play in every county. Yeah, if I got you me the chicks upside them sleeves more. You reveal everything that I can't see more. You know me believe in every lesson you teach. You tell me humans deceive, no matter what you I preach. If I got just when me catch me enemy on him knees, come me and give him every one of the 9 next teeth. I win the take not defeat, long as me dip on my feet. Boy, I for watch when them speak, not true my own, but my G.
Rich together, entertainment. Big up yourself, Skipper. Bankerala. Wait. If you don't understand, listen. No, if you don't. Bankerala, big up yourself. Yo, what can I say, bro? Skipper, bro. It's Skipper. What can I say, bro? What that I haven't said about Skipper already? I know some rate Skipper. Skipper, bad artist. You see me? Yeah. And the G I do it, and I go like same now. Try, like, not go like. The G I do it without even trying, bro. Like, Skipper does naturally talented, fam. And then tell you over in a most time song them say, listen, me not have to do this, brother. Me not have to do this, dog. You see me? Me not have to do the music. Me just kill time with it. But the G, I enjoy himself. He might enjoy himself. He might take it serious and all. Me see it. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Skipper. Production team. Big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, man. And I'll catch you guys down there, man. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.